ഓം ശ്രീമാത്രേ നമഃ. I am Dr. Kollur Krishna here from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam 21st May 2026 Vaigashi Masam 7th Thursday Parabhavanama Samvalsaram Uttarayanam Vasantarato Vaigashi Masam, that is Rishabha Masam, Shukla Paksham Tithi up to 2:29 p.m. Panchami, then Shashti. Thursday, Guruvasram Nakshatram, morning up to 9:49 a.m. Punarpusham Nakshatram, then Pushan Nakshatram. Today's Rahugalam 1:30 to 3 p.m. Yamagandam 6 to 7:30 a.m. Guliyagalam 9 to 10:30 a.m. Good time 10:30 to 11:30 a.m. then 5 to 6 p.m. Today's Chandrashtamam for Dhanur Rashi, Shulam South, Prayachittam Jinjili oil, Sradhatthi Panchami, then Shashti, Shuklapaksha Shashti. Om Shri Matre Namaha.